Thinking of selling your home in Sarnia? Your first showing starts online, and we're here to help you make it shine. Welcome. I'm Melissa Jones with the Blue Coast team with CB Southwest, your go-to real estate experts in Sarnia, Ontario. Today we're walking you through everything you need to know about prepping your home for listing photos, showings, and open houses, so you attract more buyers and top dollar offers. Let's dive into the essential steps every homeowner should take. 1. Start with decluttering and depersonalizing. Buyers need to see themselves in your home, not your family photos or collection of fridge magnets. Pack away personal items, clear countertops, tidy closets, and remove excess furniture. Make sure seasonal gear is tucked away. 2. Deep clean everything. A spotless home signals care and value. Focus on windows, baseboards, kitchens and bathrooms, appliances, light fixtures, and vents. Keep scents fresh and subtle. 3. Stage for style and emotion. Simple staging helps rooms feel inviting. Add fresh flowers. Use light throws and pillows. Opt for white bedding. Highlight outdoor spaces. Even small updates can help buyers fall in love. 4. Light it up. Lighting can make your home feel bigger and warmer. Use warm LED bulbs, open all the blinds, turn on every light before photos or showings. 5, here's a list of don'ts. Avoid these mistakes. Don't leave pets at home during showings. Don't block access to storage areas. Don't overuse fragrances. And don't forget curb appeal. First impressions matter, online and in person. Final open house tips: quick tidy before guests arrive, set a comfortable temperature, soft music, light refreshments, leave the house early, and let your agent handle the magic. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions about the Sarnia real estate market or you're thinking about buying or selling, don't guess, get clarity. Connect with the Blue Coast team at CB Southwest today and welcome home to the Blue Coast.